So, hello everyone. Please let me know if I am audible and visible to all of you. And then we can start our today's session, which is going to be very, very interesting. So, today we are definitely going to learn a lot of things. So, complete time and work in a single video. So, let me know if you are able to hear me and let me know if I am visible to you, audible and visible to you. So I think I'm live now. I'm waiting for your comment so that we can start with, and we will wait for another 1 minute so that another people right can join, and also you can invite your friends because our today's sessions are very, very important, my dear friends. We are going to cover right lot of things. So just let me put some extra light on my face so that I look little handsome. Okay. So very good evening all of you. Please let me know if I am audible and visible to all of you. Come on. Right? Hello, very good evening. So am I audible and visible to all of you? Yes, sir, visible and audible. What about audible? Audible also? So let me know if I am audible also. Okay. So time and work completely we are going to cover. So am I audible, friends? Visible? Okay, fine. No problem. Are you able to hear me? Guys, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Okay, fine. So that is what I wanted to ask. So we'll wait for another 1 minute before we start with the concepts, because if you miss the basic concept, then you will not be able to understand. Fine. Okay, anyway, so first you try to solve and then I will explain you the tricks. So basically we are going to solve all the questions with LCM tricks, right? So we will be using LCM method, which will help us to solve any questions of time and work in 30 seconds, right? So whatever method you know, with that you try to solve. And here I will be telling you the LCM method, the LCM tricks, which will help you to solve the questions just in 30 seconds. Now, so let us start with, okay. Okay, so let us start with the timer. So your time starts now. Please solve and tell me the answer, right? So please solve and tell me the answer. Okay, so what will be the answer? Your timer has been started. So if A can do a piece of work in 10 days and B can complete the same work in 15 days, then in how many days will both of them together complete it, right? So very good. Sohan has given the answer. Sampath, Ritu, Soham, right? Karthik, Paul, right? So many of you have already given the answer. We are starting with a simple problem, and then we will be also solving the TCS questions, right? So a lot of questions we are going to cover. So from 0 till the hero level. So efficiency based, the big problems which has been asked in TCS examination, right? So all these questions we are going to cover today. So I request all of you to please watch the video till the end. So this is a 0 to hero video on time and work. Okay. Now, so anyway, the timer is over. Now please try to understand how can we solve. So many of the students what they do, so they will be calculating a 1 day work, right? So a 1 day work, it is 1 by 10. B 1 day work, right? B 1 day work 1 by 15, and then they will do 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15, right? Some of you might be using the formula 10 into 15 divided by 10 plus 15, right? So these are few methods which we will be using it. But friends, think, when you have questions where they are asking A can complete a work in 10 days, B can complete a work in 15 days, C can complete a work in 20 days, D can complete a work in 30 days, right? So when you have this kind of problems, right? So there definitely you cannot use the formula A into B divided by A plus B. So basically we need to understand the method. You need to know the method. Okay, fine, no issues. So we will see. Okay, so now I will start solving the problem. So A can complete a work in 10 days. Okay, B can complete the same piece of work in 15 days. In how many days will both of them together complete it? Now what you have to do, so as I said, we will be using LCM method to solve the problem, right? Okay, so we have to use the LCM method to solve the problem. Now take the LCM of 10 and 15. take the LCM of 10 and 15. If you are not good at taking LCM, then you can also assume a number which is divisible by 10 and 15, right? Okay. Now, so 30 is a number which will be divisible by both, right? So you can take the LCM, or you can think a number, sir, I want to take 60. 60 also you can take, not a problem. But anyway, then divide this 30 by 10, it will be 3, and divide this 30 by 15, it will be nothing but 2, right? Okay. Now 30 divided by 3 plus 2. So 30 divided by 3 plus 2 means 30 by 5, it will be nothing but 6 days. That's all done. So you have got your answer. And even for complicated problems, right? So even for complicated problems, this method will give you the very simple way to solve it. Now let us try to understand what I have done here. Okay, so let us understand the basics, right? Okay, so here what basically I have done. So A can complete a work in 10 days, B can complete a work in 15 days, right? Okay, now you have to take the LCM. Okay, either you take LCM or you assume a number which is divisible by both, so which is nothing but 30. So this becomes our work. Okay, so when you take LCM or when you assume a work, that when you assume a value, that becomes our work. Okay, now 30, then 30 you divide by 10, it is 3 times, and 30 you divide by 15, it is 2 times. This we have got as a efficiency. Efficiency means A can complete 3 work in a day and B can complete 2 work in a day. So please understand the meaning of efficiency. Efficiency means 1 day, 1 hour, 1 minute work, right? So A can do 3 work in a day and B can do 2 work in a day. They are asking together in how many days they will complete the work. So 30 is the work. A can complete 3 work in a day and B can complete 2 work in a day. So 30 by 5, it is 6. So it will not even take 30 seconds to solve the problems, right? It will not even take, see, A can do a piece of work in 10 days, B 15 days. Okay, take a LCM or assume a number which is divisible by both. 10 threes are, 15 twos are, 30 by 5, it is 6 days. It will not even take 10 to 20 seconds to solve this particular problem, right? I hope it is clear for everyone. If it is clear, please comment, and if it is not clear, please let me know. So let me know if it is clear for everyone, each and everyone here. Okay, please comment, and then we can move to next question. And don't forget to like the session so that we will be keep continuing more and more session for you. Okay, now, so the next question you have to solve. Your timer starts now. Okay, so if A can do a piece of work in 12 days and B can complete the same work in 18 days, in how many days will both of them, A plus B, together complete it? Come on. So let's solve the question and tell me the answer. So if A can do a piece of work in 12 days, B can complete the same work in 18 days, in how many days A plus B together complete the work? So you have another 30 seconds to solve it. Come on, fast. Okay. So let's see how many of you are able to solve. Okay, so another 13 second. Come on. So see, there are two, for when there are two-person, right? Then you can also use AB divided by A plus B. So option A, okay, your time is up. Option A. So many of you have given option A as the correct answer, right? Okay, very good. So Nikita, Karthik, Harshit, okay, Anuj, and then Biltu, okay, very good. Now you see, so A can complete a work in 12 days and B can complete the same work in 18 days. In how many days will both of them will complete the work? Now, what I said, either you take LCM or you assume a number which is divisible by both. So I can take 36. 36 is divisible by both, or if you want, you can take LCM. We are using LCM method to solve 6, 9. So 3 twos are and 3 threes are, right? Okay. So 2 threes are 6 and 2 threes are 6. So my LCM will be 36, right? Okay. Now 36 divided by 12, and whatever number we assume or when we take LCM, it becomes our work. Now 36 by 12 it is 3 and 36 by 18 it is 2. That means A efficiency is 3 and B efficiency is 2. That means A can complete 3 work in a day and B can complete 2 work in a day. Now total work is 36 divided by 3 plus 2. So 36 divided by 5. So 5 7 ja 35 and 35 plus 1 will be 36. So 7 1 by 5 days. Option B will be the correct answer, not option A. So option A is not the correct answer, option B, right? And when you have two person, then you can also use 12 into 18 AB. So this is method 2. So AB divided by A plus B. So when you have two person, then you can use this. So 12 into 18 divided by 30. So 6 5s are and 6 2s are. So 36 by 5 is nothing but 7 1 by 5 days. So option B will be the correct answer. Clear for everyone? Please comment if it is clear for everyone. Please comment and then we can move towards the next problem. So slowly the level of the question, the type of the problem, everything will be keep changing, right? So everything will be keep changing. So now next problem, please try to solve and let me know the answer. Okay? Come on. So you have another 30 seconds to solve it. So let me see how many of you are able to solve it. So I know you can definitely solve it. Okay. So now we have got answers from. So nobody has answered it. Okay. So you have another 5 seconds. So Pratik can do a piece of work in 24 days, whereas Neetu can do same work in 45 days. In how many days they can complete the same work together? When you see you have a little bigger values, right? So you can use A into B divided by A plus B. Anyway, I will tell you both the method. Please try to understand. So 24 into 45 divided by 24 plus 45. So 24 into 45 divided by 69. Okay. So here 3 23 times and here 3 8s are. 45 into 4 is 120. 45 into 4 is 180. Sorry, 180 plus 180. 360 divided by 23 days. That's all done. Right. So 23, 360 divided by 23. Option B will be the correct answer. Now if you want to use the LCM method, 24 45. So 24 how can you write? 3 into 8 and 45 how can you write? 3 into 15. Now so LCM is what? So whatever common values you have 2 3, so you put 1 3 and into 8 into 15. This will become our work. Now, if we'll divide this by this, then you will be having 15. If we'll divide this by this, then you will be having 18. 8. So this is our efficiency. Now, total work is 3 into 8 into 15. Who will complete this work? Definitely Pratik and Neetu. Definitely Pratik and Neetu. So Pratik can do 15 work in a day. Neetu can do 8 work in a day. So 360 and divided by 23. That means option B will be the correct answer. So either you use LCM method or you use, right? So either you use LCM method or you use for two numbers, you can also use the formula, right? You should be able to get the, right? You should be able to get the correct answer, right? Okay. Fine. Is it clear for everyone? Can you please comment below? So if it is clear, can you please comment below and can you also please like the session? Can you also please like the session? Come on. Okay. So if it is clear, please let me know. And can you also please like the session? Okay. So please do like the session and also comment if it is clear for all of you. Right? Okay, so let's see for how many of you it is clear. Okay, fine. Can you please like the video also because we really put lot of effort definitely. Okay, now the next problem. And for the next problem, I want you to solve by same method, and I have started the timer here. So if A can do a piece of work in 10 days, B can complete the same work in 15 days, and C can do a piece of work in 20 days, and D does a work in 30 days, in how many days they together complete the same work, right? Again, what you have to do? Again, what you have to do? You have to find the LCM technique, right? Okay, fine. Okay, done. Come on, fast. So you have another 9 seconds to solve it. So how many of you have solved? A can do a piece of work in 10 days, right? Just use the same approach whatever I said you. So A can do a work in 10 days, B can do the same work in 15 days, C can do the work in 20 days, and D can do the work in 30 days. Now, sir, I am not able to take the LCM. I don't know how to take the LCM. Friends, no problem. Please assume a value which is divisible by all. So I can think of 60. Somebody is telling, sir, I am able to think some other value. What is the value you are able to think, my dear friends? So, sir, I am able to think of 120. No problem. With both, we will be able to get the answer. So, this becomes our work. Now, 60 by 10, 6 times, 60 by 15, 4 times, 60 by 23 times, 60 by 32 times. That became our efficiency. That means A can complete 6 work in a day, B can complete 4 work in a day, C can complete 3 work in a day, and D can complete 2 work in a day. Now they're asking in how many days they together complete the same piece of work. Now 60 divided by, so A 6 work, B 4 work, C 3 work, and D 2 work. So 60 divided by 15, that means 4 days. That's all done. So you will not be even taking 30 seconds to solve this question. Now somebody has taken 120, no problem. So this is 12 times, this is 8 times, this is 6 times, this is 4 times. So 120 divided by 12 plus 8, 20, 26, and 4, 30. So 120 divided by 30 will be nothing but equal to 4 days. That means option B becomes the correct answer. So it doesn't matter what value you are assuming, you will be always getting the correct answer. But if you have a smaller value, then the calculation will be less. Now friends, you tell me if this method is easy and you are able to understand, right? So please comment below that things are clear to you, you are able to understand. If you have any doubt, please ask. If no doubt, we can move to the next question. Come on. Complete time and work we are going to cover. So we have started with simple problem. We will be doing difficult problem. You don't have to worry at all. Each and everything will be covered at the end of the session, right? You just have to be with us till the end of the session. Okay. Now question number 5. So question number 5, and your time starts now. Okay. Very good. So the method you should be able to understand. If A can do 1/5 of the work in 4 days, B can do 1/6 of the work in 5 days. Working together, in how many days can A and B complete the whole work? Come on, let's see how many of you are able to solve. So come on, let me see how many of you are able to solve. Okay, so you have another 15 second. Very simple problem. Exactly same approach you have to use, LCM method technique you have to use, and you will be able to solve it. Okay, no need to worry at all. So if A can do 1/5 of the work in 4 days, right? Okay, 12 days. Karthik, Rahul, Sampath has given the answer. Let us see. So if A can do 1/5 of the work in 4 days, 1/5 of the work in 4 days. So Smart Tech Telecom, thanks for your concern. I have water. If I feel I should have, I will have. Don't worry. So if A can do 1/5 of the work in 4 days, right? Okay. Now, so friends, one work when they will be able to do, so just multiply 4 into 5. So whatever you have in denominator, right? Send it into the numerator, right? So one work A will be able to do in 20 days, right? Okay. Now B can do 1/6 of the same work in 5 days, right? So whatever you have in denominator, right? So one work, so whatever you have in denominator, you multiply, you send it in the numerator. So 5 into 6, 30 days. Again same question. So A can do a work in 20 days, B can do a work in 30 days, right? Now, so just take the LCM or assume a number which is divisible by both. So this will become 60. 23 times and 32 times. This is our efficiency. This is our work, right? So total work is 60. A can do 3 work in a day and B can do 2 work in a day. So together A and B will be able to complete this in 12 days. That's all simple. So these are simple problem, but definitely slowly we will be doing some difficult problem, right? So that so that you will be able to solve the questions in the examination. So this is basically zero to hero level. So if somebody does not know anything about time and work, things will be completely clear at the end of the session. Please do like the session and comment below if it is clear. See, your comment will definitely motivate me to bring more and more session for you if you are able to understand this LCM method. Clear? Okay. Now, next question, and I wanted you to solve 1 minute. I am giving it to you, but basically it takes only 30 seconds. Come on. Question number 6. If A can do 1/4 of the work in 9 days, B can do 2 by third of the work in 28 days, working together, in how many days A and B complete the work, right? Simple. So let me see how many of you are able to solve. You still have 26 seconds to do it. So you still have 26 seconds. Okay, come on. So option C, Smart Take Telecom has given the answer. What about others? I told you the same similar question. If A can do, if A can do 1 by 4th part in 9 days, then I said A will be doing one work into this denominator, you send it to numerator. So 9 into 4, 36. Clear? Okay. Then B can do 2 by third of the work in 28 days, right? Okay. Then the denominator you have to send it to numerator, and definitely the 2 will come down, right? So denominator you send it to the numerator up and denominator will come down. So 28 into 3 by 2. So this is nothing but 14, and 14 into 3 is 42. One more thing you try to understand. See, 2 by 3 work is done in 28 days. So one work will be completed in 28 divided by 2 by 3. So this is the logic basically. So 28 by 2 and this 3 will go up, right? So this is the logic, and this is called as unitary method. And this is called as unitary method, but I am teaching you directly how can you write this. Clear? Okay, done. Now you have 36 and you have 42. So you can use a formula. See, I'm using both the methods. So in exam, whatever method comes to your mind, you solve it. So 36 into 42 divided by 78, right? Okay. Now calculation you see. So this will become 13 6 just, okay, 78, right? So this is 13 and this is 6 times. So 6 13 times and 6 6 times. So 252 and divided by 13 will become the correct answer. That means option C. So option C is the correct answer for this particular problem. Now please let me know if it is clear to everyone. Okay. So now please let me know if it is clear to everyone, and if it is clear, please comment below, and also please do like the session. Friends, the concept which I am telling you know, it's very easy. Any complicated problems you will be able to solve, right? Now, sir, how do we do this by LCM method, right? So 36 and 42, fine, okay. 36, how can you write? 6 into 6. 42, how can you write? 6 into 7, right? Okay, now what will be LCM? 6 is common, so write 6, and then 6 into 7. Remaining things you write like this. Instead of 2 6 1 6, remaining things you write like this. Then here if we'll divide 7 times, here if we'll divide 6 times. So 6 into 7 divided by 13, right? 7 plus 6. So 252 by 13. So all the methods will work. It's not like I'm teaching you something which will not work, right? So each and everything I will tell you. Wherever you have doubt, please ask. Now question number 7. So your time starts now. So your time starts now. Question number 7. So if A can do, now we have the different category of question, different type of question. Okay. So anyway, you please like the video, and then we will be keep doing the problems, different type of problems. So let us see how many of you are able to solve. You have 38 seconds to do it. Okay, come on. Same similar approach we will be doing it. We will not change our approach, right? Okay, fine. Okay, so you have another 12 second. Be quick. So be little quick to solve. 4 second. Come on. So time is up, and let me see how many of you are able to solve it, right? Okay, no problem. So okay, 60 days. So only 60 days. So 4 5 people have solved. Now let's see how can we do it in a easy manner. 30 seconds. If A can do a piece of work in 20 days, right? So if A can do a piece of work in 20 days, and A plus B, and A plus B can do the same work in 15 days. Now please take the LCM. LCM will be nothing but here. Sir, LCM, either you take LCM or you assume a number which is divisible by both, which is nothing but 60. And your LCM or the number which you assume becomes your work, right? Now 60 by 20 3 times, 60 by 15 4 times. This becomes efficiency. So A plus B is equals to 4, right? A plus B is equals to 4, and A is nothing but 3. So 3 plus B will be equal to 4. So B is nothing but 1. So we got the efficiency of B is 1. What is the meaning of efficiency? The meaning of efficiency means B can complete one work in a day. Total work is 60. B efficiency is 1. So B will be taking 60 days to complete the work. Option A. Friends, I am telling you 30 second is more than sufficient, right? Okay, 30 second is more than sufficient for this kind of problems, right? Okay, so see there is one okay, done. Okay, now how, sir, in 30 seconds please tell me. So I will tell you in 30 seconds. So A 20, A plus B is 15, right? Take the LCM. 60, 23 is a 15 4 ja, right? Okay, so A is 3, A plus B is 4, so B will be 1. 60 by 1 is equals to 60. Option A will be the correct answer. That's all done. So you will be able to solve the question quickly in the examination. Is it clear? If it is clear, the next question is for you, and I'm giving you the timer, right? So I'm giving you the timer. Please comment if it is clear, and then we can solve question number 8. So A and B together can make a table in 4 days, and A alone can make the table in 12 days. In how many days B alone can make the table? Come on. A and B together can make a table in 4 days. So A plus B 4. A alone 12. 4 12. If you will take the LCM 12. 4 3s are 12 1 ja. That means B will be 2. 12 by 2. You got the answer in mind itself. Sometimes even you don't have to use the pen and paper, right? Sometimes even you don't have to use pen and paper. Now we have another 20 seconds to solve. 6 days, very good. So 6 days. Yes, 6 days is the correct answer. Ritvik, Karthik, right? Instagrammer. Okay, very good. 6 days is the correct answer. And now let us see how easily you could have done it. I solved it in mind itself, right? Okay. So A plus B, A plus B can make a table in 4 days. A alone can make the table in 12 days. Now, if you will take the LCM, it will be 12. When you take the LCM, it becomes our work. No need to take the LCM, even you can assume any value. Now 4 threes are 12 and 12 ones are 12. That became our efficiency. That became our efficiency. Now, so A plus B, my dear friends, is 3, right? And A is 1. So put A is 1. So 1 plus B is equal to 3. So B will become 2. So you don't have to do that. See, A is 1. So if you put A is 1, then definitely B will have to put 2. Then only the efficiency will become 3. So the efficiency of B is 2. Total work is 12. And B can complete it in 6 days, right? So in how many days B alone can make the table? So in 6 days, B alone can make the table. Is it clear for everyone? Then please comment and also like the session so that we can move towards the next problem. Question number 9. So question number 9, one more, and then we will be changing the type of problem. Friends, at the end of the session, you will become hero in time and work. That I promise you will be also able to realize. Don't worry. Now your timer starts now. So P and Q together can do a work in 12 days. P alone can do the same work in 36 days. In how many days can Q alone complete two-third part of the same work? Come on. Okay, thanks, Instagrammer. Okay, so you have another 36 seconds to do it. You have another 36 seconds to do it. Nikita told 18 days. Okay, we will see Nikita. Within 1 minute, you have to solve, right? Now, and after the session, you have to solve within 30 seconds. Okay, fine. B. Okay. Okay, 12. So people are telling 12, somebody is telling 18. Okay, let us see. So P and Q together can do a work in 12 days. P alone can do it in 36 days. No problem. Either you assume a number or take the LCM. So 36. 36 is divisible by 12 and 36 both. So if you don't want to take LCM, don't take. This becomes our work. Now 12 threes are and 36 ones are, right? Okay. So they're asking in how many days can Q alone complete two-third part of the same work? Okay, first. So what is the efficiency of B? Friends, see, time and work is very, very simple. So when they talk about time and work, no, then the main important thing is efficiency, right? Okay. If I wanted to ask you, right, so how much questions Asmith does in 1 day? Then we need to, right? If I ask in how many questions Asmith does in 10 days. So I need the efficiency of Asmith. So efficiency plays a very important role in time and work. Now P plus Q, P efficiency is 1 and P plus Q efficiency is 3. P you put 1, so Q efficiency will become 2. So that means Q can do 2 work in a day. Now they're asking Q alone complete two-third of the work. So total work is 36. Two-third will be 2 by into 2 by 3, right? So this will be 24. So two-third work is 24. Q can do 2 work in a day. So for completing 24 work, Q will be taking 12 days. So 12 days is the correct answer. And now we'll see 12 days. Okay, 12 days, 18 days is the wrong answer. So those who have given 18 days, it's a wrong answer. The correct answer is 12, right? And you are able to understand total work is 36. They are telling two-third. So two-third is 36 into 2 by 3. So please read the complete questions in the examination. Don't do any kind of mistake. Is it clear? If it is clear, please like the session and also comment below that yes sir, everything is crystal clear. Till here all the 9 questions I do not have any doubt, and this LCM method is definitely useful, right? Okay. Now friends, till then I will tell you. So we are conducting many sessions, right? So we are conducting a lot of live sessions on daily basis, and also if you want to be part of our crash course, right? So if you're really serious in cracking TCS, then you can go for crash course on TCS. So it has wonderful content, everything from basic to advanced level. Lot of live classes are going on, right? And tomorrow there is a test series, friends, so don't miss it. And the discussion will be there in the crash course, right? So tomorrow there will be aptitude. So tomorrow there will be aptitude test. Okay, so this will be live mock test, live mock test. So please everyone try to join. This will give you idea that how is your preparation level. Okay, so tomorrow we have the live mock test at the same time 8 p.m. Okay, so I will share the link tomorrow, or that link will be there in the video description tomorrow. So tomorrow you write this session. Okay, fine. Okay, so smart infotech, it's okay. See, the thing is definitely we have the live mock test discussion, all those things. It is very difficult to do everything on the YouTube, because we have to spend more time into the paid courses, the student who has paid. So it's up to you. So nobody is forcing anyone here. Don't worry about that. If you want to take, you take. If you don't want to take, no, this is not free mock. So it will, mock will be free, but the discussion will be only in the crash course. Okay, now anyway, question number 10, and your time starts now, right? So your time starts now. Fine. Okay, so please try to solve. So A and B together can do 45% of the work in 9 days. A alone can do the same work in 30 days. In how many days can B alone take to do the same work? See, Harshit, we are charging 999 rupees for TCS crash course, right? So if you'll see 999 divided by 6 months, so almost 180 days. So it will come around 5 rupees a day, right? And if you'll go and see the content, right? So we are having already 600 plus recorded contents, right? Daily live classes are going on the current topics where TCS asks more questions. PDF of each sessions are there, right? So our class notes are there, test series are there. See, WhatsApp groups are there where we are handling all of your queries, right? So you might have seen our WhatsApp group. So where we have made it for TCS paid NQT. So all those things definitely, right? So teacher effort is there. You see, these are the WhatsApp group, right? So where we are solving all the student queries, each and everything we are doing it. So definitely when we are doing so much of effort, like all teachers are there in this group, and you see the test series. So daily, some test series has been given to the student, so they are solving it. So all those things are happening in the group. So this is part of the paid NQT crash course, right? So you see, so all the doubts, all the queries, each and everything is getting covered here. So definitely when so much of effort is put in, test series they are doing, lot of activities has been done there. Okay, anyway, fine. And it is not even 5 rupees a day. So for that much of content, the time is definitely, I mean the money is very less actually. Anyway, so let us see how many of you are able to solve it. So A and B together can do 45% of the work in 9 days. A alone can do the same work. See, if you are really serious about cracking TCS, you can join this. Otherwise, no need. Akshay, what is a guarantee that? So Akshay is asking, what is a guarantee that after learning from your course, I will clear the TCS? See, you might have paid 3 to 4 lakhs to your college, right, to get a job. Did you ask same thing to your college? See the amount, 999 rupees and 3 to 4 lakhs, and you see the content, right? So did you ask your college? See, tomorrow if we are there or not, there is no guarantee. See, already 650 plus learning videos and daily live classes we are giving you, right? So daily live classes. Today also we have the coding class, WhatsApp group support, test series, mock test discussion. So many things you are getting it. So definitely it's up to you. If you don't study, then even my courses what? Nothing will help you, right? So courses will not. Okay. So if you don't study, definitely nothing will help you, right? See, you have to ask yourself. So if you study, right? If you properly study, then definitely you will clear. Okay, anyway, so that's up to you. Um, Now A and B together can do 45% of the work in 9 days. A alone can do the same work in 30 days. In how many days can B alone take to do the same work? So A plus B together can do 45% of the work in 9 days. Okay. Now 45% is nothing but 45 by 100. 9 days. So one work. So 9 into this denominator will go up and divide by 45. So 9 5s are and 520. So A plus B will be able to complete the work in 20 days, right? Okay. A alone can do the same work in 30 days. That's very good. Okay. Now just take the LCM. So LCM, or you can assume a number, right? So then you can assume a number which is divisible by both. So it is nothing but 60. That becomes our work. So 23s are and 32s are. And that becomes our efficiency, right? Okay. So A plus B is equals to 3 and A efficiency is 2. If A is 2, then B will have to keep it 1. So that means the efficiency of B we have got as 1. So B can complete one work in a day. Now for completing 60 work, B will be taking 60 days, right? So option A will be the correct answer. Thanks a lot, Nikita, for your comment. So okay, no issues. So now we can move to question number 11, right? Is it clear for everyone? If it is clear, please like the video and now we can move to the next problem. Please comment below. 60 is the correct answer. Now question number 11. So for question number 11, we are starting the timer. So let me start the timer. Okay. So timer starts now. So A and B together complete a piece of work in 18 days. B and C together can complete the same work in 24 days. A and C together complete it in 36 days. In how many days A, B and C working together complete the piece of work? Okay, fine. So you have another 33 seconds to do it. Let's see how many of you are able to do. Simple problem, use the same approach. A plus B 18 days, B plus C 24 days, A plus C 36 days. First take LCM. After taking LCM, find out the efficiency. After taking LCM, find out the efficiency of A plus B, B plus C and A plus C. All problem, we will be having the similar approach to solve it. We are not going to change our approach to solve the question, okay? So that you need to understand. Okay, done. Now, A plus B together can complete a piece of work in 18 days. B plus C can complete a piece of work in 24 days. A plus C can complete a work in 36 days. Now, you can think of a number which is divisible by all three, right? So we have 18, we have 24, we have 36, right? Okay. So 72, right? So 72 is a number which will be divisible by all. If somebody is not able to do, you can take LCM, no problem, right? Okay. See, when you are taking LCM also, I have told you LCM technique, right? So your LCM will be always a multiple of the bigger number. So now we have 36. So 36 multiple is 36. 36 is not divisible by all three. 36 next multiple is 72. Now is 72 divisible by all three? Yes. So 72 will be your LCM. 18 4 ja, 24 3 ja and 36 2 ja. We got the efficiency of 432. Now many of you what you will do 437 plus 2 9 and this is 72. So you will write 72 by 9 is equals to 8, which is wrong here. The reason it is wrong, because we have got efficiency of 2a plus 2b plus 2c. That means 2 times a plus b plus c efficiency is 9. But we want, they are asking a plus b plus c working together will complete the piece of work in how many days? So a plus b plus c will be equal to 9 by 2. Okay, now total work is 72. Who has to do? A, B, C. So 9 by 2, 2 will go up. So 9 8 is a 8 into 2 will be 16 days. 8 into 2 will be 16 days. That means option B will become the correct answer for the problem number 11. Right? So 16 is the correct answer for this problem. Now let me know if it is clear to everyone. Okay? So please let me know if it is clear to everyone. And also please like this session. See, I'm planning to cover more topics on YouTube channel, right? So today time and work, and definitely we will not be able to finish time and work today. So if you want me to do more sessions, please do like the video. Okay. Now question number 12. Is it clear for everyone? Till here any doubt anyone? Everything is clear for everyone? Okay, very good. Now question number 12. So question number 12, a work is done by P plus Q, Q plus R, and R plus P in 12, 15, and 20 days. How long, right? So, how long will P take to complete the work? Similar approach, same method you have to use, and you will be able to solve, right? Very good, guys. So, a work is done by P and Q, Q and R and P in 12, 15, and 20 days. So Jana Kiran, no problem. You will be able to understand in this particular problem. Similar concept, similar approach is there, right? Okay. So in this particular problem, you will be able to understand. Okay, so you have another 23 seconds to solve it. So a work is done by P plus Q, Q plus R and R plus P in 12, 15 and 20 days. Take the LCM. Once you take the LCM, after that you will be able to get the efficiency, right? Okay. So already Krishna has given the answer. Let us see if the answer is correct or not. Okay. So a work is done by P plus Q, Q plus R and R plus P in 12, 15 and 20 days. Now just take the LCM. So if we take the LCM, or assume a number which is divisible by all three. Sir, 60. Anyway, you are free to assume any value. Now 60 by 12 is nothing but 5. 60 by 15 is nothing but 4, and 60 by 20 is nothing but 3. We got the efficiency of P plus Q, Q plus R and R plus P. Now, so what is total efficiency? So this is nothing but 2 times P plus Q plus R. Efficiency is 549312, right? Okay. So P plus Q plus R efficiency is 12 by 2 is nothing but 6. Now they are asking, my dear friends, they are asking how many days will P alone take to complete the work. That means we need the efficiency of P. That means we need the efficiency of P. So P plus Q plus R is nothing but 6, and take one equation where P is not there. So Q plus R. So Q plus R efficiency is what? Q plus R efficiency is 4. So Q cancel, R cancel, P will be equal to 2. Efficiency of P is 2. Total work is 60. So P can complete 2 work in a day. So for completing 60 work, P will be taking 30 days. That means option D will become the correct answer for this particular problem. Now let me know if it is clear for everyone. So please let me know if it is clear for everyone. Please comment below, and also please like the session if you are able to understand, and if this LCM technique is making your problem simpler. So please comment below. So please comment down below quickly. Okay. Next. Next question number 13. Please comment if it is clear for everyone. And next problem we will try to solve. Question number 13. A and B can complete a work in 15 days and 10 days respectively. They started doing the work together, but after 2 days, so this is a different type of problem. B had to leave and A alone completed the remaining work. The total time taken for the work to be completed was. Now let's see how many of you are able to solve. So somebody is telling explain with LCM 120. So you take LCM to 120, what is the problem? Q plus R is equals to 15. So 120 is not the LCM. LCM will be always list value. So if you assume 120, no problem. 12 10 ja, 15 8 ja, 12 6 ja. That became our efficiency. So 2 times P plus Q plus R is nothing but equal to 24. So P plus Q plus R will be equal to 12. And then Q plus R is nothing but equal to 8. Right? Okay. So just a second. So here P will be equal to 4. Cancelled, cancelled. Now total work is 120. 120 by 4, it's 30 days. So please, if you're not able to take LCM, no problem. You can assume a value, and with that help also you will be able to solve and you will be getting the correct answer, right? Okay. Now, so this one if you want, you can take another 30 seconds because I started explaining. So people have given the answer as 10 days, right? Okay. Some people have given the answer as 40 days. Can everyone please solve this question? So in 10 days, A will complete. The total time taken for work to be completed was. So they're asking the total time. A and B can complete a work in 15 days and 10 days respectively. They started working together, but after 2 days, B had to leave and A alone completed the remaining work. The total time taken for the work to be completed was 12. Okay, very good. So we will see what is the answer. Now let me try to solve it because I have given you more than a minute. Okay. Now, so A can complete a work in 15 days. Okay. B can complete a work in 10 days. They started doing the work. First thing in time and work, take LCM or assume a number which is divisible by 10 and 15. Assume a number which is divisible by 10 and 15, right? Okay. That becomes our work, right? Now, 30 by 15, sir, it is 2, and 30 by 10, it is 3. That means we got the efficiency of A and B. A can complete 2 work in a day and B can complete 3 work in a day, right? Clear. Now they are telling they started doing the work together, but after 2 days B left. That means for 2 days A plus B worked. A plus B worked together for 2 days. Worked together for 2 days, right? Okay. So A can complete, my dear friends, 2 work in a day and B can complete 3 work in a day. Together they worked for 2 days. So 5 into 2, 10. So they completed 10 work, right? In 2 days. Now, so what is the remaining work? So 30 was the total work and they completed 10 work in 2 days. Now 20 work is remaining. And who will complete this work? B is leaving. So B left. So definitely A will have to complete. 20 work is there and A can complete 2 work in a day. So for completing 20 work, A will be taking 10 days. Now, many of you will mark the answer as 10, which is wrong. Because in the question they are asking the total time taken for the work to be completed. So total time A plus B worked for 2 days and B worked for 10 days. So the total will be 2 plus 10, that is 12 days, and this is the correct answer. But when I gave the question, many people gave the wrong answer, and that's what we do in the examination also. Now please let me know if the concept is clear to you, you are able to completely understand the problem. Please let me know and comment below if you are able to understand, and also do like the session because based on that, right, If you see, if you people are really able to understand, enjoying the session, I'll bring more and more session for you guys, man. See, I don't pass the time during the live class, okay? I do what is required for you for your examination, the concepts and all, right? Okay. So Harshit is telling explain once more, right? Okay. Sorry, A worked for 10 days. Okay, no problem. So anyway, so A worked for 10 days. So 2 plus 10, 12 days. Okay, no problem. Okay. So Harshit, first what we did, we calculated efficiency of two, A and B. So A is 2 and B is 3. Now they are telling they are working together, but after 2 days B is leaving. So they worked for 2 days. So A is 2, B is 3. So 2 plus 3 into 2, that means total 10 work completed. So they worked for 2 days, right? They worked for 2 days and they completed total 10 work. Now what is the remaining work? So 30 minus 10, 20. Who will do? B is leaving. After 2 days, B told, I am going, man. You do. I am not going to work. So you do, I am going after 2 days. So after 2 days, A is going to complete 20 work, right? A can complete 2 work in a day. So for 20 work, A will do 10 days. So A is taking 10 days and A plus B has worked 2 days. So total number of days is 12. I hope it will be clear to you now. Okay? For everyone understanding right? ठीक है भाई एक लाइक दबा दो यार सेशन को लाइक करते रहो ताकि थोड़ा मोटिवेशन मिलता रहे ओके नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 so question number 14 A and B working alone can complete a work in 8 days and 12 days respectively. They started working together, but A left 2 days before completion of the work. So this is a different type of question. Please don't do the mistake. Your timer starts now. Okay? Fine. Okay, so let's see how many of you are solved. Okay, so you have another 30 seconds to solve. Easy problem. Just use the concept whatever I have taught you. So just use the concept whatever I have taught you. A and B working alone can complete a work in 8 days and 12 days respectively. They started working together, but A left 2 days before completion of the work. In how many days was the work completed? Another 6 seconds. Okay, now let's see. So no one has able to solve. This is a simple problem, not a difficult problem. Okay, so Falcon is telling option B. Somebody is telling option B. We will see. So A can complete a work in 8 days. See, in exam, if you don't know anything, first take the LCM and then think. Okay. So either you take the LCM or you assume a number which is divisible by both. Please try to understand here. Little bit concentration is required. Please look here. Please look here, little bit concentration is required. So A can complete a work in 8 days, B 12 days. We took the LCM or we assumed a number which is divisible by both 8 and 12, right? That is nothing but 24. Now 24 by 8 is 3 and 24 by 12 is 2. That means A can complete 3 work in a day and B can complete 2 work in a day. Now they started working together. Please try to understand with this diagram. So they started working together. So A plus B, they started working together, right? But A left before 2 days. So when the last 2 days of work was there, that time A said, no, I can't work, I am going. The last 2 days, I can't work, I am not well. Then who will work? Yes. So last 2 days, B only worked. A said, no, the last 2 days I will not work. I will go. The last 2 days, you have to work. Now, so B in 2 days, how much work would have done? So B in 2 days, how much work would have done? B efficiency is 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So B would have completed 4 work in the 2 days. Now, so A plus B, how much work they would have done? So the here 4 work. So definitely they would have done 20 work because total work is nothing but 24. Now, So A plus B completed 24 work. But in how many days? So A can complete 3 work in a day, sorry, 20, and B can complete 2 work in a day. So A plus B would have completed this in 4 days, right? So now they're asking in how many days? In how many days was the work completed, right? So in how many days was the work completed? Okay. So how many days? 4 and plus 2, total 6 days. So 4 and here 2 days and here 4 days. So 4 plus 2, 6 days the work was completed. Is it clear for everyone? Please let me know if it is clear for everyone. 6 days, wonderful. Correct answer. See, you just have to identify who is working for how many days. And based on that, you will be able to solve the question. Right? So first you have to identify. So please comment below if you are able to understand. So please comment below if you are able to understand. So please comment below if you are able to understand, if it is clear, crystal clear to everyone, because I want everyone attending the classes, for them things should be clear, right? Because I am teaching you from very much basics. Okay. Now question number 15. So question is completely correct. There is no problem at all. This is a asked question previous year. Question is perfectly correct. There is no problem with the question. Where you have problem, you tell me. They started working together, but A left 2 days before completion of the work. In how many days was the work was completed, right? So they did not say in how many days the work was completed by A plus B, or in how many days the work was completed by B. So that problem is perfectly clear. There is no problem at all. Okay. Now, Asmita Bajaj. So if it is not clear, please let me know what is not clear. Then I can explain you. So please let me know what is not clear and then I can explain you. Right? Okay. So I need to know that what is not clear. Anyway, question number 15. Let us start. So this is a again different type of problems. So we are going to cover different type of problems today here. So this is a different type of problem. See, this question is not tough. Harshit is telling the question is tough. Harshit, you can do this problem in 30 seconds. Okay, I will tell you how. So I will tell you how. So first try to solve this, and then this is a wedges based problem, right? So this is a wedges based problem. So let me see how many of you are able to understand. Can you please like the session, friends? See, if you're enjoying it, then there is nothing wrong in liking the session, so that we can bring more and more sessions for you. Your time is up. Somebody was telling this problem is tough. Can you please? Okay, now. So let me start the. Okay, if I'll start the timer, I will not be able to solve now. So anyway, let's start timer. So A can do a complete of B 12. So 24, this is 3 times, this is 2 times, right? Okay. So B, but A left 2 days before the completion of work. B worked for 2 days. So 2 into 2, 4. Now 20. 20 work who would have completed AB. So 5. So 4, right? So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 days is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. That's all, right? Okay. So you can see the problem is not tough. The only thing is you need to see, I don't have to write all those things for you, right? Because I'm explaining you, so I'm writing all those things. Anyway, now question number 15. A alone can finish a work in 10 days. B alone can finish the work in 15 days. Now, if they work together and finish it, then out of the total wages of 225 rupees, the amount in rupees that will A will get. Now, please try to understand the concept here. So it is very clear. If I work more, I should get more money. If somebody less work less, then they will be getting less money. That means more efficiency, right? So more efficiency, more money. More efficiency, more money. Less efficient, less efficiency, right? Less money. So if your efficiency is more, you will be able to earn more money. If your efficiency is less, you will be able to earn less money. Clear? Okay. So always remember your wages, right? So wages will be directly proportional to efficiency, right? So you have to find out efficiency ratio, then then you can find out wages. Or if you have wage ratio, then you can directly find efficiency. So both the things are together. Fine? Okay. Now, so here you can see you can take a you can take LCM here. So LCM, or you can assume a number, so which is nothing but 30. That became our work, right? So 10 threes are and 15 twos are. So we have got the efficiency ratio A is to B 3 is to 2. So efficiency ratio, right? So if you got efficiency ratio, then in the same ratio, right? So then in the same ratio, you will be able to write divide the money. So total is 225 rupees and they are asking how much A will get. So in front of A it is 3. So in front of A it is 3, total 5. That means total 5 unit. Out of that A is 3. Now 5 45 times, so 45 into 3 135. So option C will become the correct answer for this particular problem, right? So Falcon, it was not required, man. Uh, so yesterday only I started, but this was not required. But anyway, thanks a lot. Thanks for the effort. I mean, thanks for the appreciation. Basically, if you guys just like the session, that's more than sufficient, right? So if you guys just like the session, it is more than sufficient for me. Now, please let me know if it is clear or not. Yes, thanks a lot, Falcon, from bottom of my heart. Okay. Now let me know if it is clear for all of you guys or not. Question number 15. So A alone can finish the work in 10 days. B alone can do it in 15 days. If they work together and finish it, clear for everyone? Very good. Now the next problem, and this is a wonderful problem. This is a wonderful problem. Let me see how many of you are able to solve it. Okay. Okay. So now A is to B efficiency ratio. So here A is to B is efficiency ratio. So that's what I told. So efficiency ratio, right? So efficiency ratio is, so efficiency ratio is nothing but your money dividing ratio. So whatever your efficiency, in that only the money will be divided. Okay. So Harshit Joshi, so whatever your efficiency ratio is there, no? So A is to B, we got 3 is to 2. So A can finish the work in 3 days, B in 2 days. Efficiency ratio we have. So when we have the efficiency ratio, then we can divide the money in the same ratio. That's all done. Okay. Now question number 16. So let me see how many of you, okay, no one has solved this. Now please try to understand. So P and Q completed a work together and got 1080 1440. So I said your efficiency ratio will be your wage ratio, or whatever your wage is there, from there also we can find out the efficiency. Now 0 and 0, 36 threes are and 36 fours are. So this was my wage ratio, but wage ratio and efficiency ratio will be same. So now I got the efficiency of P and Q, right? So efficiency of P is 3 and efficiency of Q is 4. Then they said P can do the entire work in 20 days, right? So P can do the entire work in 20 days. That means 20 into 60. So 60 became our work. So Now here it will be 15 into 4, it will be 60. So we got the efficiency of Q also, right? In how many days did they take to complete the work? Total work is 60 and efficiency we know 3 plus 4, 60 by 7, that is 8, 4, 7. 7 8 is 56 plus 4, 60 by 7. Is it clear or not? A wonderful problem, and definitely you would have able to understand this. So a wonderful problem. Please let me know if you are able to understand or not. Okay, clear for everyone? See, all the type of problems today we are doing except one type, efficiency based, because it will take more time. Okay, Asmit Bajaj, clear, very good. Okay, for everyone, is it clear? This was a good problem. We had to trace back from the wedges, right? So from the wedges, 20 into 30. See, 20 into 30 will be 60. See, B, you go to the previous problem, right? So here 10 into 3 is what? 30, right? So here we have 20. P can complete a work in 20 days, they are telling, and P efficiency is 30. So days into efficiency. So days into efficiency will be equal to work. So P can complete a work in 20 days. Efficiency we have got from the wage ratio. We calculated the total work. So days into efficiency will be equal to work. Clear? Okay. I am explaining that only. See, P efficiency we got, Q efficiency we got. So P and Q efficiency is 3 and 4, right? Okay. Then they are telling P can do the entire work in 20 days. So P can do the entire work in 20 days. Now, so days into efficiency will be equal to work. Just go back in your previous problem, you see 15 into 2 is 30, days into efficiency is work. 10 into 3 days into efficiency is work, right? Days into efficiency is work, same thing. So 20 is here, so 20 into 3, so we got the total work is 60. They're telling in how many days they will complete the work. So P efficiency is 3, Q efficiency is 4, 60 by 7, that means option B will be the correct answer. Clear? Yes. So we can solve any given question in 1 minute, right? So each and every problem can be easily solved in 1 minute. Clear for everyone? If you are able to understand, please hit a like. Now, this is a problem which was asked in TCS examination. So I will, okay. See, boards and stream is not a difficult problem. Any topic, concept, so you need to understand the concept, right? Friends, see, that's the reason I'm telling you from basics you have to go, right? So if you'll see our crash course, right? So already recorded contents are there, live classes are going on. If you'll go inside the aptitude, right? So you can just go down all the topics, right? So everything, all the topics basics has been taught. So topics, problems on basic boards and stream. So the concept, right? So the concept has been discussed. So when you understand the concept, then you will be able to solve any problem. See, 999 rupees is not a big amount. You see what all you are getting. So if you go back here, aptitude difficult level problems, right? And then you have reasoning, TCS aptitude and reasoning mock test, verbal ability, programming videos, previous year question, fully solved TCS previous year question, test series, interview course, live classes, mock test. There are so many questions, so many things you are getting it, right? So it is more than worth for what is the amount we are charging, right? And friends, we have given a lot of results which you are already aware, right? So if you go and check online study for you, right? So if you go and on YouTube, if you'll see online study for you, you will be also able to see a lot of things, right? So online study for you, if you go and check here, so if you go and check your online study for you, so we have already given a lot of results, right? So it's not like already, see, we are putting a lot of effort. You might have seen our classes. So one of the student got selected recently in TCS ninja role, And then again we have the student who got selected. See, already so many live classes are going on. Some student got selected in prime role, right? So lot of results we have given, and that's where, right? So Deloitte, somebody got selected in Deloitte. So see, when we have given the results, right? So that's the reason our course content, so that shows our course content. So our course content is one of the best content, right? And that you have to trust. And you are also able to see in the live classes, so that's why we are running a lot of live classes on daily basis, so you will be getting the complete idea, right? So definitely 999 rupees is not a big amount for that, because you will be getting prepared for more exams. Okay, now see this question. This is a question asked in TCS exam. And now let us see how many of you were able to solve. Can you please like the session? Okay. So in the normal course, Rabi, Sanjay and Mukund can each individually build a wall in 5, 8 and 10 days. Due to difficult terrain and salacy conditions at the site, the individual time required for each to complete the work has increased by 20%, 25% and 50% respectively. How long will they take to build the wall if they work together? Okay, now, so as I said, this is a question asked in TCS. So Ravi can complete a work in 5 days, Sanjay can complete a work in 8 days, and Mukund can complete a work in 10 days. Now let us take the LCM. Okay, either you take the LCM or you assume a number, but you were doing a mistake because you did not read the complete question. So that's where also in exam you will be doing a mistake. So Rabi completed a work in 5 days, and then Sanjay 8 days, and then Mukund 10 days. Now here they have also inserted percentage. So due to the difficult terrain and slushy condition at the site, the individual time required for each to complete the work has increased. So Ravi is taking 20% more. So what is the 20% of 5? It is nothing but 1. So 25 times 5, 5 cancel. So from 5, see, from 5 it will become 6 days. Now Ravi will be taking 6 days. Then 8. So then Sanjay is taking 25%. So what is 25%? 25% is 1 by 4. So now 8 plus 2, Sanjay will be taking 10 days. And and then Mukund is taking 15. So this is 50% more time. So 10 plus 50% of 10 is 5. So 10 plus 5, 15 days. And now you assume a number which is divisible by all three. So we can assume 30. Then 30 by 6, 5. 30 by 10, 3. 30 by 15, 2. This became efficiency. That means Ravi can complete 5 work in a day. Sanjay can complete 3 work in a day, and Mukund can complete 2 work in a day. Total work is 30. So 30 divided by 5 plus 3 plus 2. Because it has been asked how long will they take to build the wall. So 30 divided by 10 is nothing but 3 days, right? So option A will be the correct answer. And this was a wonderful question which was asked in TCS. So this is a question which has been asked in TCS. And now please let me know if you are able to understand or not. If you are able to understand, please comment below, and please do like the session. So every topic I will try to complete. So every topic I will try to complete in YouTube live session, right? Okay. So please let me know. Is it clear for everyone? Come on, guys. If it is clear, please comment, like the video, like the session, and then we can move to the question number 18. And question number 18 also asked in TCS exam. So these are all TCS question. And see, if you have understood a basic question now, then you will be easily able to do it. Ram can complete 50% of a work in 4 days. Harish can complete 1/3 of the work in 4 days. Chirag can complete 1/6 of the work in 4 days. In how many days can they complete 50% of the same work if Ram, Harish and Chirag work together? Okay. 31 is coming by adding. What are you adding? So please don't comment, don't talk here. See, this is, please try to solve the question, okay? Sai Teja, Smart. So please try to solve the questions here, okay? So Ram can complete 50% of the work in 4 days. Harish, one third of the work in 4 days. This is a TCS problem. You might get a questions like this in your TCS exam. Okay. So your time is up now. And let me see. So in the previous question, see, you have to add the efficiency man. Who is that? Maya Kanan. So where were you, man, from that time? We have to add the efficiency, not the days. See, efficiency means Ram is able to do 5 work in a day. Then Sanjay is able to do 3 work in a day, and Mukund is able to do 2 work in a day. So you have to do if add efficiency. So work divided by efficiency will be equal to days. So days into efficiency is equals to work. So please understand it from the beginning. Okay, now. So Ram can complete 50%. 50% is nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 in 4 days. Right? So this 2 I said you have to take it up. So Ram will be able to complete 1 work in 8 days. Then Harish can complete one third of the work in 4 days. Then 3 you have to take it up. Then 1 work Harish will be able to complete in 12 days. And then Chirag can complete 1 by 6 of the work in 4 days. Then 6 you have to take it up. So 1 work 4 into 6, that is nothing but 24. So Ram can complete 8 work in a day. Harish can complete 12 work in a day, and Chirag can complete 24 work in a day, right? Okay. Now, so either you take LCM or you assume a number which is divisible by all three, that will become your work, right? So work. Now, so 8 threes are, so 24 by 8 3, 12 twos are, and 24 ones are. We got the efficiency. In the question they are asking, in how many days can they complete 50% of the same work if Ram, Harish and Chirag work together? Now total work is 20%. So 50% of the work will be 24 by 2, 12. Now this 12 work, who has to complete? Ram, Harish and Chirag. So their efficiency is Harish can complete 3 work in a day. Sorry, Ram can complete 3 work, Harish 2 and Chirag 1. So 12 by 6 will be equal to 2 days. That means option B will be the correct answer for this particular problem. And please let me know if it is clear to everyone. So please let me know if it is clear for everyone. Come on. Please comment if it is clear and also like the session. दबा के like करो so that we can bring more and more session for you. Maya is a woman, not man. So we are man or woman, no problem. Everyone should be able to understand. Man, woman, man plus woman mix. Everyone should be able to understand here. That's the main motto of the class. Till then you won't understand, I will not leave you. Till then, you will not understand, I will not leave you. Simple. Okay? Okay. So somebody was telling why you are doing in the long method. So okay. Now he put the channel name. That's why I blocked him. So it is very, very clear. So anyone, okay. So if anyone, if anyone can solve this question in any other simpler way, I will leave teaching. I am telling in front of everyone, right? See, this question will not even take 30 seconds, right? So within 30 to 30 seconds to 1 minute, you have to solve the problem. And you see, Ram can complete 50% of the work in 4 days. So Ram will be able to do in 8 days. Harish, right? Harish can complete one third, so it is 12. Chirag can complete 1/6, then Chirag will be able to do in 24 days. Take the LCM, it is 24. Half of this will be 12. And here you can see 3, 2, 1. So it is 6, 2 days. So it will not even take 30 seconds. So that's what I told. If anybody can do in any simpler manner, in any simpler manner, then I will leave teaching from today. I will not even teach on YouTube or anyone. I will close the channel itself today. So that's my challenge for anyone. Okay, so that's my challenge for anyone. So see, any question if you are able to do in 30 seconds, then that's more than sufficient, right? So these are the easiest method, LCM technique method, which will help you to solve questions in exam quickly, right? If somebody is telling you different method, see, I have kept one single method for complete problem. So I'm using one single method for complete problem, right? And I'm doing all difficult to easy level of the problem, right? Understood? No, see, it's been see, there are people who have started teaching now, right? I am teaching from like, see, I have blocked him from the channel. He will not be able to see any of the video now. But they have to understand we really put a lot of effort. See, from continuously 1.5 hours, right? So it's been 1 hour 30 minutes. I'm continuously speaking for all of you, right? So if somebody comes and goes, then definitely okay. Now, so question number 19. So question number 19, please try to solve. Okay, let's time starts now. So A can do a piece of work in 12 days and B can do it in 30 days. They work on alternate days starting with A. In how many days will their work will be completed? Okay, धोनी की बैटिंग आ गई. ये भी लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. So we will do this last question. So this is the last question, and after that we are done. So I didn't know that today is IPL, and because I'm not a IPL fan, right now we are working completely for all of you for TCS examination, and I'm also not a IPL fan, so I was not aware. Otherwise, I could have scheduled for some other time. But anyway, those who were there, thanks a lot from my bottom of my heart. Okay, now, so A can do a work in 12 days. Okay, so this is an alternate days problem. So this is alternate day problem. Alternate day problem. Okay, fine. So A can do a piece of work in 12 days. B can do a piece of problem in 30 days. Now, either you take LCM or you assume a value which is divisible by both. That becomes our work. Now, 12 fives are and 32s are. So, this is our efficiency. Clear? Okay. Now, they are telling they work on alternate days. So, A worked, right? And then B worked. Then A is working, then B is working, then A is working, then B is working, right? So A, B, A, B, A, B, right? So like this, the work they are working. Okay, now no problem. So you see, in 2 days, so A and B, A can do 5 work in a day and B can do 2 work in a day. So in 2 days, A plus B will be able to do 7 work. Clear? 5 plus 2. Total work is 60. Go very close to 60. So very close to 60, 7 8 ja 56, 7 9 ja 63. So in 8 days, right? So in 8 days, sorry, in 16 days, right? They will be able to complete 56 work. So anyway, this option B and option C will not be our answer. Okay. But anyway, we will see. Just wait. Don't decide right now. Don't decide right now. We will see. Now, what is the remaining work? So total work is 60. 16 days we have completed 56 work. Now the remaining work is 4. Who will work? So A, B, A, B, A, B like this. It was going for 16 days. Now A will work. A can complete 5 work in a day. Remaining work is 4. So A will be able to complete in 4 by 5. So total days 16, 4 by 5. Now please let me know if it is clear for everyone. So option A will be the correct answer. So it will be 16, 4 by 5. So A will be only able to complete the work. It will not go to B. Clear? Is it clear for everyone? 16 4 by 5. Done. Everyone is able to understand? See, Asmit, in the question they have told A can complete a work in 12 days, B can complete a work in 30 days. You assume a number 60. So 60 by 12, 5, 60 by 32. Right now, so we see A is working, A can complete 5 work in a day, B can complete 2 work in a day. That means in 2 days, A plus B can complete 7 work. Now total work is 60. So very close to 60 we will go. So 7 8 ja 56, 7 9 ja 63. So in 8 days, so they will complete 56 work. Okay, now, so you are multiplying with 8 here, so multiply with 8 here, so 2 8 is 16. That means in 16 days they will complete 56 work. What is the remaining work is 4. Who will complete? After AB 16 days A will work. A can complete 5 work in a day, so for completing 4 work, 4 by 5. So total number of days 16, 4 by 5. That means option A will be the correct answer. Right? So let me know if it is clear for everyone. Did you enjoy the session or not? This particular question you have to solve and let me know the answer in the comment section. So we will stop today till here, and now please tell me. Okay, so now there are efficiency based problems are there. Okay, so see, everything I am not able to cover on YouTube, right? So that things will be definitely covered in, see, tomorrow is a mock test, Ganesh. So these are the, see, we still have to practice more problems. Okay, so these are the, this will give you the complete concepts, right? And there are few types of concepts which I have not covered today because of the time problem. So these are the type we have not covered, right? And also efficiency based problems we are not able to cover because there is a time crunch, time limit. So for that, all those things we are covering in this TCS NQT crash course. So where the complete, say, different kind of questions are there, different difficulty level of the questions are there, WhatsApp group are there, so we are helping everyone with the WhatsApp group, right? So you might have seen the paid group, right? So there also we are helping you. So I'll just show you, so we'll go there. Okay, and we will see, right? So you see these are the TCS groups, so where we are solving the questions, even mock test. See, more and more problem is required. People are telling from where to practice. So if you really want to practice, I will show you. See what kind of mock test is done here. See, even people are sharing the code, so faculties are there in the group, right? So people are getting help from there, right? So they're putting the questions and then they're getting the solutions, either it is related to code or so these are part of your you know uh, crash course, TCS NQT crash course. We are doing it, right? So this is part of your TCS crash course, and from there we are doing it, right? Okay, so I will just show you the seats with the complete problems, right? Okay, so I'm searching here and there. So if I go to this and documents, right? And documents, so you see, so this level 2, level 1 test papers has been said. So this is sorry, so these are the level of the problems. See, a lot of problems are there, right? So either it is data interpretation and different topics. I don't know how much you are able to see. Okay, so the focus would be here. So a lot of things, a lot of activities we are doing here as part of the TCS crash course. So this much you have to do because TCS is not a simple exam and you have got only one opportunity. So please utilize it, and then only you will be able to clear the examination, right? Okay. So see, that question you try to solve it by yourself and let us know in the comment section. So thanks everyone. So other people did not even comment. So how was the session, guys? So did you really enjoy the session or not? See, I wanted you to enjoy the session, understand it, and so that you will be able to solve the question. Sir, make a video on TCS cutoff. Yeah, we will make. So tomorrow I'll make a video. Thank you, Asmit Bajaj. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining the session. And definitely we will be keep continuing with this kind of session. And you can check it on our YouTube channel, right? So just go here and check for the live sessions, right? So here we have the live session. So again we have a live session on Sunday for coding, and we have a live session on reasoning. We had a live session on aptitude class 2, verbal ability, right? TCS coding, and again TCS aptitude. So a lot of live classes are happening, and this will be keep happening. Don't worry. So TCS cutoff tomorrow. I'll make a video and I will put it on our channel. Till then, please take care, and all the very best for your exam. So we will put a lot of effort. Tomorrow test is there, don't miss. Tomorrow at 8 p.m. free test is there. Discussions will be in the paid group, but test series will be free. So please join tomorrow. Thank you, take care, and all the very best.